Welcome to our channel. Today we how to link external accounts to Bank of America, transfer setup step by step clearly. To link external accounts to Bank of America, start by visiting their official website. Log into your Bank of America online banking account. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers section in the main menu. Select External Accounts from the drop-down options. Click on the Add External Account button. Enter the required information for the external bank account you wish to link. This may include the account number and routing number of the external bank. Choose the account type, either checking or savings. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Continue button to proceed. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security process. Follow the prompts to complete the verification steps. After verification, you will receive a confirmation message. Your external account is now linked to Bank of America. You can begin transferring funds between your linked accounts. Make sure to familiarize yourself with transfer limits and processing times. This will help you manage your transactions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.